Hello everyone, welcome to Top Trading Age. Today we had the Amazon earning, and I'm gonna go through the Amazon earning, what I actually did earning before videos, and that video, if you can take a look at it, and today's earning look like uh, it's mismatching. Basically, it's not a like I would call it's not a sleep well night earning. So I'm gonna expose some dots, and you might agree that what exactly how this earning was pre-planned and what are the how the outcome was bullish and how it would handle this whole earning process. So mm, just trying to make a quick video, so just hang tight. Before that, just a disclaimer: this video is for education purpose only. I do not sell any financial advice or a recommendation to buy or sell any sorts of stocks investment. For your financial action, please consult with your professional financial advisor before making any financial decision. So let's get started now. So today, after hours, they had earning. I'm making the video in the night time. So estimate revenue was 137 billion, and they reported 137, slight miss. And if you look at the EPS, was expected was 3.63. They achieved $27.75. Now we all know what happened is in this earning that they uh, uh, based on my previous video which I made here on earning Amazon stock price pre-earning technical analysis. So before earning, I made this video, and my prediction was they will be short of few $billion, and they, according to me, they were short of $5.5 billion, except the Rivian game plan. They worked well. That was a twist in the game, and how that happened, and I'll show you a few things, so at least you would believe that these are the things. This is how it is achieved. The earning comes in. So when they announce the earning, and as you can see, what happens? Earning comes, boom, 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 right? All the buyer lines up right away. Now, who all are these buyers are? Do you see these wicks? Red now. Somebody is controlling here. Somebody is trying to control the price action here. So that's the real actions. That's why I always keep telling, is this, I mean, if is this a sleep well night earning? Now I'm gonna go through a few things before we start the Amazon earning. So what happened is the whole game is all about the Rivian. So the Rivian total, what happened is $4.3 billion value. Rivian they added into this earning because they invested into that, into the shares, and they had 14.3 billions revenue, which is at that time the Rivian price was, so Rivian, we're gonna go through here, almost $70. They invested $75, $78, something like that, and then it went shoot up to $180. So just like that, it shoot up right here, and they were controlling the prices here. But anyway, so when the revenue closed on the 31st, which is right here, you see that bottom date right here, 31st, $104 price. So that's the price they calculated. Though the price touch here $60 is grinding down. Now the trend is going down, but price is calculated at this 31st. That was the price they had to calculate. But they know the price that they need to maintain to achieve the good earning, right? So to achieve, the price was $104, so they calculated $100 on the earning. So let's go back now here. So 14.3, if now the price went down 40% from $100 they calculate, and now it's $60, $104 to here $60. So 40% price value lost. So this value was calculated by the past. Now future, you're gonna lose this 40% value, which is $7 billion they are short. So if you look at it, my calculation of the earning 40% value, so 5.7 million, you can minus these. So they are short of 130, 132 billion. So they were short, but this was the complete game plan um, they had. So, and I'll show it to you right here, so you'll believe it. So I tweet this on January 27, which was about a month ago, about 4 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago. Real pump proof in detail lesson. So this is the real pump proof in a detail lesson to learn. FOMO is our enemy. So what was this? So I tweet this about the Rivian chart. I compared here with the Rivian chart and Robinhood chart. You can take a look at it. These are the two IPO. These are IPO. They are not specs. So that means if there is underwriter involved in it, and there is a bank involved in it, and there is a media involved in it. There's a lot of high power people involved in this game. So when the IPO comes, Rivian IPO comes. Before that, first IPO was this. So what I say here, what are the common things do you see in these two charts? Same pattern, right? Same pattern. 5 days pump from right here, which was $30, and pump to $85. This is Robinhood IPO. So $5, 5 days, boom, 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 from $30 to $85, right? Same thing, Rivian IPO comes, jumps from $78 to $180 in 5 days. So who's doing this? Market makers, who's been, you know, who has a more power, I would say. I hope you understand what I mean. So 5 days, 5 days here move, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, and then goes down, consolidate, same thing. Look at the steps, same here, right? So this is Robinhood, this is Rivian. Now, in this case, what happened here is what Rivian stock was doing. I'm going to show you here. So if you look at it, on December 21st, the price was going down to $88. So if that price goes down, and when the 31st price calculates, so they know, we would not know what are the game plans are, but company knows, so they have to set up all these things. So they control when the market was trending down, even other stock was going down, and they control this. So if you take a look at it, let me go back to the Amazon. So daily chart 20. You see this, Amazon was going down on 31st right here, right? Last constant 5 days, Amazon was going down, and look, see what Rivian was doing, right? Just to show you, 21st to 31st. The date is on the bottom. You see right here is the date. So you see that $104. So this was grinding up constant 7 days. Why? Who was doing this? A buyer lined up from here. They all of a sudden become bullish because Rivian truck is about to be deliver the car in the market, that truck in the market. No, right? So these guys, nobody knows, but I was just trying to, think what exactly game plan was played here, because I was right, and then the stock jumped today, and I thought, so whenever the earning comes, this is what they do. They control. Remember, earning comes immediately. They started controlling like this. So that's what happened on Amazon. The after hours, it jumped the stock, right? So this was the control by power people to buy this, and then 31st is over. Look here, 31st is over, job is over. 31st, the moment next day, look at the bottom, right? 31st here, right? I read here, green candle, 104. That's it, job is over. So from here to here, $80 to $104. So that earning is already calculated that, hey, this is the price I need to achieve. This $1 billion, they need to have $14 billion. After tax is 11, somewhere around $12 billion. So this is how they achieved. And then 31st date is over. Boom, 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 boom. This is what normally happens, right? So guys, these are the games, man. We have to find those dots. Nobody gonna come and tell you. And I'm putting my efforts, my experience in my life. And I'm trying to show you guys, hey, don't be just blindfolded what they are showing it to you. Just understand and find the dots. And I'm putting my efforts, and I hope you guys see that what I'm exactly showing it to you. So this is, um, you know, so on 31st this happened, and then the price dropped, reached here, and then after, so that was the game plan. And since then, insiders are selling, right? Last 2 3 months, insider, because this one candle has a lot of millions of share going through, and they are taking money out of it. Now, what happened today? It was closed here 27, and all of a sudden $500 jump here. So they have to maintain some price, just like I told you here, right here, right? I mean, right here, right? This shoot up from here, $78 to $187. They can do the same here. They have to control here. Power people can do everything. So, after hours, this is minute chart, and you can see the moment earning announced, boom, right here, right? So these are set up. If you ask me, that's why I keep asking, is this a sleep well night earning? Ask yourself. If not, then this price is just the momentum for certain power people who will take this benefit, and then back to reality. See this reality from here, and then this is reality. Same here. Now, some people will say, hey, I'm a bullish on Amazon, and why are you talking like that? Well, guys, I used to be a bullish, but when the number don't match, this number is this 137 billion number was not right, but legally they are right because they invested one time on a piece. So now what would be the forecast? What would be their future now? Next earning, how they gonna get back again $14 billion right here, because their forecast is, they missed the forecast also. But now they have expected forecast for next quarter. Where they gonna get it from? You think they're gonna get it from Rivian here? They had to again pump. And do you think in January, February, March, anybody is buying the truck? They're not even sold any truck. So, and chip shortage, and even factory was burned down one time in Cleveland. There is no organized way even forward, and they have a dispute with the Rivian. So the there's a big people back up this company, but at the end, is all about the people care about the numbers. Bottom line is, so if we all know Lucid has a strong team. They are not like Rivian, okay? They have a pure engineers, pure Tesla Model S design people. These are big guys, designers, software design. There's a big, strong team behind it. Um, Now that stock price is right now $26, and I'm if FOMC meeting and Fed meeting happens, probably I'm thinking Lucid might go to $22 because they're supposed to deliver 550 cars, and if they are short of it, then that can reach go there. So if Lucid is going down direction, and what do you think? Next 2 months left, 1.5 months left, February and March ends, the quarter ends. What do you think? Rivian gonna go up or even gonna go down? How can you have a Rivian value higher than the Lucid? Rivian has a higher market cap than the Lucid. And Lucid has a product they are delivering. People are driving the cars. They have all the strength. So this one doesn't have the strength. So this supposed to be where the Lucid is. So that's where it's going to go. And as you can see, once the 31st is over, and this is what it's been doing, is heading in that direction. So then they will be short of $5-7 billion, not 5-7. They'll be short of $10 to $14 billion, depends on their forecast what they're gonna show us. Because I'm sure 60. So if it goes to 30, there'll be another short of $8 billion in next forecast. So that's the reality, guys. So um, you think this will not unveil everything to all the analysts who are investing money into the company? They are organic investors I'm talking about. There are investors who you show them something, and and then give them something. So what I see right now here, this trend don't lie, and my prediction was is heading here 2300, and that's what I made the video here also, that by 2022, the title is right here, Amazon stock price pre-earning technical analysis. So before earning, I made this video yesterday, right? I made this video. You guys can take a look at it. Since I only have like 33 subscribers, I started the channel like 10-15 days ago. So if you guys like my analysis, I would highly appreciate subscribing, liking the channels, and that would reach to the more audience. And I try to give the content which nobody provides, nobody even talking, nobody even thinking about this. I'm bringing this 20-year experience to the people like you who can educate themselves, that they can't close your eyes and just simply believe what headline being created, what earning is being given to you. You have to analyze every fundamental. So in this video, when I made this, I not just the technical analysis, I did fundamental geopolitical, so at least you guys can understand, because technical only gives you a little mirror, but we also need to see other side of the other side of the earnings too, which is fundamental, because this is earning video. So I hope you see where I was going on this video, that don't just brain, people will brain feed you what exactly earning is, but you have to see yourself, you got to forecast yourself, you got to find the dots, what are the game is being played with the people, and then go with that. I understand if many of you might own the Amazon stock, so you might be bullish, but it's better to be sorry than the better to be earlier than the sorry, because what happens when the price goes up here and we don't take the profit, and then price goes here, we feel the pain, right? When price was here 35, 37, $3,800 and we didn't take the profit, then what happens? And when price is here, we feel, oh man, I missed the boat, right? And then it takes about a year or 2 years, 3 years, depends on market condition, because now market condition is completely changing, and that is another part of the of inflation issue we have. So, and just to give you idea, Amazon increased the price of their Prime membership from 120 to 139. So $10 they increased the price. Now $10 increase the price. What would happen in here? Because now the Fed comes in March and tighten the um, increase the interest rate. In that case, they have to reduce the power of buying power. Now, when you reduce, it's called pricing power. When you have a no power, when people don't have the pay to the mortgage, people don't have the money to buy more, that's what the interest rate, when the interest rate goes up, people have a less power. So people will cut down certain things, just like entertainment, just like shopping. So people might cut their Amazon Prime membership, because they can say, hey, I'm gonna go and watch Netflix, I'm gonna go and watch something. So people do that. So bottom line is, I don't see any bigger, but that was a headline created, and people think, oh, it's going to be good and green and everything will be all right, and then after some days thing will drop back. Right now the price is this $3,300 right here, right? And then you give a few days, all this game plan is being played here according to my analysis and experience. This is the game going on here. It's been balloon created by powerful people, and then it brings to the reality. That's why I call this is this a sleep well night earning? Apple was a sleep well night earning. This is not a sleep well night earning. This was a surprise night earning. This was a big surprise, and that too, that surprise was a setup game plan. mm, you know. So we don't want to be part of those. I'm trying to expose and make you aware, understand all these things. So at least before you guys invest, you know I want you to be, ask me the questions. If anything you can ask me a question, I would definitely answer. I deep dive in it, and make videos. I tweet on it at Top Trading Edge and respond you back. So let's make it cut it short, this video. If you guys like it, please subscribe, like on YouTube, and if you are on Twitter, Top Trading Edge, you can also follow me. I definitely tweet a lot on that and gives you a lot of alerts. Until then, thank you very much for being here. Have a good night. Thanks. Bye.